Hello, my dear students. Today I am here to discuss looping concept. So before starting, welcome to my channel, Intelligent Institute of Education. Still haven't subscribed, so please subscribe my channel. And if you have subscribed, so please subscribe in other devices because this is very important for me. Okay, and already you will get regular updates. So before let me explain, now I am going to share with you the presentation that is the concept of looping, right? So now I'm going to share with you my presentation. So it will be easy for you. Now I'm going to maximize this. Now is this visible? Is this visible?
Yeah, it's visual. Yeah,
Yeah,
visual.
okay, right. So basically, see, looping, the concept of loop we have in every programming language, like we have in C programming, C++, Java, even though here in Python programming, every programming, the concept we have loop. So here, now we are here to understand what is the concept of loop, right? So now basically the loop, the concept of loop, here already we have seen in previous lecture that is called conditional statement. So conditional statement, it was that we have to fulfill only one condition. It is going to check only one condition. But now we have more than one condition. So what is the concept? Because we cannot write more than, like we can write one time, two time, three time, four time. Is this all right? But we cannot write 50 times, 100 times. So for that, the concept we have to follow, that is the call as a loop. Is this all right? Is this clear? Next,
Yeah, it's
next
clear.
that is called, in this the topic I am going to cover for loop and while loop. And already I think you have the concept like C programming, C++ and Java, in that it was do while loop. But especially in Python, we don't have do while loop. We have only two loop, for loop and while loop. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now basically the loop. What is the concept of loop? Basically the simple is that we have to think means multiple conditions, like where we are going to basically a set of instruction, right? A set of instruction that execute continuously. So how many times till the condition will be true, or condition is going to meet whatever we are going to fix the condition. So when condition will be true, it will execute again and again. Whatever the print statement we are going to write the logic, it will execute and again, right? When condition will be false, so it
Yes.
will stop it. Is this clear? In simple way, loop will check the continuous condition. When condition will be true, whatever you are going to give print a statement, the logic, it will print continuous time. Is this clear? And when condition will be false, it will
Yes.
stop it. The thing is that, for example, in a real life, where we are going to use this loop. So like, for example, we can say in medicine, we are developing any medicine, similar types. There we can fix the loop, continuous printing, making. Okay, now we want to print any banner. Okay, we want to uh, develop any product. The same similar product, we want again and again. So we'll fix a task, and what it will be? It will printing, it will executing same product, same task again and again. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now I'm going to discuss with you. Basically, already I told you we have here for loop and while loop, right? And also we have nested loop. The concept of nested loop means loop within a loop. Okay. Also we can say
Okay.
loop
Got it.
inside a loop. But we have to be very clear about that. That is called intended. That already I have discussed in that programming conditional statement. Wherever you are going to write the condition, okay, so we have to use colon, and after colon,
Yes.
when we are coming in next line, then we have to give four spaces. From there we have to start. Is this all right?
Yes.
Now here also same, I'm going to express the intendant. Same intentation we have, give the four spaces are used to intend the statement. Is this clear? Okay. Next, Next, here we have to discuss also break and control. That is called continuous statement as well as past statement. So for this, I will explain you separate. I will give you lecture separate, and I will make you separate lecture note for this. Now I am not including in this because video will be long. My lecture will be long, right? So you have break statement, continuous statement, and
Sure.
past statement. So this is the control. How this control is going to control our loop, how our loop will behave according to that. Is this clear? So for this, I will give you the separate lecture note. Now here,
Yes.
that is called a for loop. So basically for.
Sure.
So for is our keyword, fine. And in that, like, see the here syntax. For x in sequence. So basically x is a variable. X is a variable, and in, that is called membership operator, in. And sequence, how many times we are going to run our, the given the number or the range. Is it clear? Then you have to write the
Okay.
program statement 1, 2, 3 up to n time. So according to condition, it will execute it. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, so already the previous program explaining here, and already I have explained. So here also I want to tell you that is called condition. Whatever you are going to write the condition. So basically this condition based on our index. So index already we have studied in list. Okay, list a sequence of the number. This based on the our index means starting from 0 index up to n minus 1 is all right. So same thing also we have
Yeah.
to focus here. Now simple program I given here, n equal to some number, this number in the form of list, right? And I'm going to use for I is a variable, and in, that is called membership operator n. So n is the name of that list given here n. Now I'm going to print here print I. So printed here whatever the number we have initialized here. Is clear? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Yes.
So this I will focus in practical. Now here in for loop, also we have range function. What is the meaning of range function? Basically, the concept of range is that from where we want to start and from where we want to end. So this is the concept of the range function. Okay. So basically, you can
Yes.
understand more in a practical. Like, for example, we have written some range, it will print it. Then we want like yesterday I have seen your program you have given. So already here we have from where we are going to start and from where we are going to end, and comma we have to use interval. Like first number will be 1 and next number I want gap of 2 number. First, then second will be 3, then gap of 2. Okay, then we can use comma, like see the syntax I have
Yes.
written. See the syntax I see here. For I in range, okay, 1 is the first number and 11 is the last number, and here interval is 2. So first number it will print here 1, and second number it will be 3, 1 plus 2 3, and next number will be 3 plus 2 5, then 5 plus 2 7. So it will interval of 2. Every number here interval of a 2 number it will print up to 11. But also we have
And
to very clear, because in this 4 it will print n minus 1. If you have given here 11, it will print up to 10 times. Why? Because it's starting from 0. But now here we have given 1, so 1, and it will print up to 10 times. Is clear?
okay. And first
Ah.
one for I in range 5 means.
I range means 5, it will start from 0 to 4 because index. Okay, 0 to 4 5 times.
Got
Okay, but here I mentioned here 1. It means that it will start from 1 up to 10 times. So I will
Yes.
take you in practical, you can understand it. Don't worry. Now here while. So while is same, for loop, for and while, two are the keywords. Already I explained you. Fine. So these all are the conditional statement that already we have studied how we are going to use the conditional statement. When condition will be true, then it will execute it. So basically, what is the definition of loop? How we can define? The loop definition is a set of instruction that execute continuously till condition will be true, condition will be satisfied, or condition will be met, whatever we are going to use that instruction. Is that all right? And when till condition will be true, it will print again and again and again and again. When the condition will false, it will stop it. Is this all right?
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
No. So now here the syntax already I have given here. While Boolean expression, the concept Boolean means it will give in the form of true and false, right? So now here statement one,
Yes.
statement two, statement up to n time. Okay. Now here also we have to be very clear about that. What means we have to focus intendant. Already I am saying again and again, whenever you are going to use the condition,
Yeah.
after condition, you have to use the colon. So basically in Python programming, colon, it means that intendant. And as soon as we are going to press the enter key, so next line automatically it gives 4 spaces. And from there, you can start it. Is this all right?
Sure.
Hmm. Now here also very simple.
Sure.
N is equal to 1. I have initialized and this printing 1 to 5 here. And after here checking the condition is true, it print, and again it will, this is called assignment statement, n equal to n plus 1. Already I have uploaded this lecture note assignment operator. Is clear? When I was explaining, I was giving the lecture of operator, assignment operator. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now here again, if you have any question, so please write in comment section or email me. So accordingly, I will answer you. And even though now I'm in description, I am also writing my UAE number and India number. You can chat with me. Is this all right? So in that way, we can enhance our programming skills. Is this clear? Okay. So now I'm going to share with you the programming concept so you can understand it, right? So here the Jupyter notebook I am going to share with you.
Yeah.
Now, first of all, the concept I explained, that is called as a for loop. So for loop, I am going to write here, like for example, we can say here n is a number, and in the n, I'm going to declare any list. So we can take a list. What is the list? List that contain a multiple.
It's collection of different types
Yeah,
of data.
different, yeah, multiple data items. Like, for example, I have been going to enter
Yeah.
here 10 and like 20, like 40, and like 100. After executing, I will use the multiple. Now, for and I. Basically, in place of I, we can take any other variable. Is this all right? Because basically, I is a
Yes.
variable, and maximum the source, the resources, books, and website, you will get I. So this also I'm not changing. We can use I, but after executing, we can use any alphabet character. Also, it will execute it. I
Yeah.
in membership operator in N. N is the name of the list, and here I'm going to print here. Print I. Okay, let's execute and see the output. Now see here, we have given a 10, 20, 40, and 100. So very simple printed here. Is this all right? Now in place of
Yes.
I am going to give here C. Execute this. See, basically see, it became 100. Why became 100?
Because print C we need to write down. Print
Yeah,
C.
yes. Very good. Because this is, we can say, garbage, the result given here.
Garbage.
Print C. Yeah. Yeah, very good. Now, so 10, 20, 40, 100, we got it. Is clear? So the concept is
Yes.
clear. In place of I, we can take any alphabet variable, it will execute it. Is this clear now?
Yes.
Fine. So now, in place of this, I am going to take any decimal number. Okay, execute it. So also we got decimal. In place of this, now I am going to take any complex number, like 5 plus 7j. Execute this. So also we got complex number. Is this clear? Now I am going to
Yeah.
take here, that is called Boolean values. This also execute it. Printed here also. Now also
Yeah.
I am going to print here like India, and it should be in quotes. Okay. It should be in quotes. Execute this. So printed here. The concept is very clear. It means that list contain multiple data items already in front of you.
Yeah.
Now here multiple data items. We have integer. We have we can say float, that a decimal number. We have complex. We have boolean as well as This is called as a string. And also we
Straight.
can see if you want, because lecture is going too long. Now I want to try to use here what dictionary, like one, and I'm going to use here UAE, okay, and execute this. So this also printed. The last concept, that is called set also. I can use the set, okay. In set, I'm going to write like, for example, 600, execute this. Now see, this also executed. Is this clear? So all data types I have written here. Now very clear, we got all result. Any doubt? You may ask now. Is this clear? So now I'm going to explain you while loop. While I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, and here I'm going to check the condition, like print here I, and after, yes, listen. So now I'm going to share, maybe interrupted or not.
How
See
much
here,
time? Okay.
time only 1 minute. 1 minute, I'm going to
Okay.
finish it. Okay. Now I, sorry, I plus equal to I plus equal to 1. Okay. Execute this. Now see here. Now see here, the value of I have initialized I equal to 1, and while I less than equal to 10, it means that now it will check the condition. What is the value of I? I, the value is 1, okay? 1 less than the
Yes.
condition is true. So printed here I. And now this is called assignment statement. I equal to I plus 1. This also you can write like this here. I equal to I plus 1. Is it all right? I written here short form,
Yes.
and after executing it become the value of 2. Again it will check 2 less than 10, all condition true.
Yes.
So this printed up to n time means 10 number. Is this all right?
Yes.
Now 1 minute, I will going to finish. Now here one, the range I want to write the final, for I in range, okay, 1 comma 10, only 2 minutes, not more than that. Now here
Okay.
print here I, okay, execute this. Now see, printed here 1, started from range 1, I have given 10. So in for loop, n minus 1, 10 minus 1, 9
Yes.
times. Okay. What is the
Yes.
last value? It will print less than 1. That's it.
Yes.
Suppose I will give here, for example, 15. So it will print up to 14 times. Clear? Now
Yes.
the last
Clear.
concept, interval. Now I'm going to write here 3. So first number will be 1, and next number 1 plus 3, it will print here 4. Okay? See here. First number is 1, next number 1 plus 3, 4, and 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, and 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 3, 16.
30.
It will print up to 14 times. Is this all right?
Oh,
Any
yes.
doubt? Okay, so
No.
now I'm going to stop here, because here I explain only the concept. The thing is
Yes.
that we have to practice here many programs so we can understand, right? We have to use
Yes.
our complex situations, so it will be quite for understanding. So same
Yes.
as you are going to face any doubt, any problem, so write in my comment section, email me, and WhatsApp also. So accordingly, I will answer it. Is this all right? Okay, so now I'm going to stop it here. Fine.
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.